Hey guys, and welcome back to the Money Game with AC. So AMC had a pop, actually went all the way up to 20% intraday right at the opening before settling at close at almost 14%, closing at 1061. So we have two main catalysts that are behind this huge surge. First of all, there was maybe you know about this already. AMC stock price target have been raised. All right, there is this company named B Riley. And then now they have not only a price target for AMC at $13, a share, but they are also moving the ratings, from neutral, meaning holding, to actually buying. So they are really bullish into AMC stock. So basically, they said they raised the rating to buy from neutral, and they boosted the price target to $13, which was a 39% above Thursday closing price from $7. This is amazing. Basically, this is the reason why they moved the target higher than actually what we are seeing today. We have remained impressed with the management's ability to weather the pandemic headwinds by both strengthening the balance sheet, of course, and negotiating with landlords in order to improve the cash runway into 2022. He also wrote in a note that to the clients that, and as the largest exhibitor in North America that also operates the highest number of IMAX screens, we view AMC as well positioned to benefit from the industry projected resurgence and return to pre-pandemic attendance levels by 2023. Of course, he's mentioning, long term, 2 years from here, 1 year from now. But the point is, if during 2020 AMC didn't find bankruptcy because they were able to manage and to maneuver, their way around, not going bankrupt, raising capital, negotiating with the landlords in order to have some kind of deal around the ability to pay rents or to delay some of the rents. If they were able to do so during this unprecedented crisis where some of the companies or a lot of companies in the retail/entertainment world did crash, man, what it will be like in 2021, in 2022 and 2023, where we will really go back to normal lives, no mask wearing, no pandemic, vaccines, people being immune, so just think about it for a second, guys. It would be crazy. So the price target here is not really aligned to what we apes are expecting, like the 500 or 1,000 or 2,000. But guys, the fact that AMC is a heavily shorted stock, it's not definitely taken into consideration in this price target, but it is really a good news because those guys, they do manage funds for high net worth people, for investments, for institutions, and the fact that they are actually telling their clients to buy AMC, guys, this is really great news for the stock. And then besides that, we have the numbers from Godzilla vs. Kong movie, still crushing the numbers, still crushing the box office globally. So not only in the US, but all around the world, guys. Surge, $280 million global box office so far. This is really the story about AMC, guys. The lizard without against the apes. So this is also another bullish sentiment, adding to that price target boost from B Riley Analysts. So AMC CEO went on Fox Business this morning. I wouldn't be able to show the footage here, but basically I'm just gonna summarize what he said. They are really optimistic about the future of AMC, not only for this year but for beyond this year. First of all, the fact that Dr. Fauci was able to affirm that towards the end of this year we'll be able to go back to theaters without mask. Right now AMC theaters are operating at 25%, 50% capacity, but not 100% capacity, especially to not all the states around the US. So that's also something that is kind of, refraining them from really going back. But the fact that we've seen 10 million people so far since May, when AMC theaters started reopening in some of the states, and not only a single case of COVID was being able to be traced because of those people going back to movie theaters. It's a great news of how good care, AMC is taking in order to make sure people do not catch, the virus in their premises. So this is definitely a very, very interesting thing. And besides that, guys, there are more and more people going back to theaters. So, I mean, if I was a short right now, I would shit my pants. Seriously, because, I mean, this is what we're here for, right? To hold the stocks, because not only we do love the stocks, but we also love the company. They're definitely poised to bounce back. So before ending this video, guys, if we can definitely hold, to around this 10.50 price or even around 11 price, but definitely as we've seen a support, around $10, if we can at least maintain this despite the short attack, which I think will come to ease a little bit, especially starting next week with the new DTCC rule. I'm going to talk about it in a separate video, but this will be a great start setting up for that move back to the $14 maybe in a couple of weeks. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care.